Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you like tuna and you like spicy, I got two Mexican inspired tuna salads for you. Ceviche style and Mayo turmeric. First you have to drain all the water out of the tuna. Chop your onion super small. I like onion a lot, so I put 2 tablespoons of onion in each salad. The one on the top is the ceviche style one, the one in the bottom is the Mayo turmeric. If you will be cutting the onion this way, be careful, it could be dangerous. It's really quick to do this, and the other great thing is that it's also keto friendly. Chop your delicious ripe tomato really small. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons for each dish. If you don't like your food to be too hot, scrape off the inside of the chile, cut off the tail. The tail is usually the back end is usually the hotter part. Add some habanero. Habanero is always great for ceviche. Some jalapeno diced really small for the turmeric mayo, a tablespoon of vinegar. Squeeze the juice of a lemon, or at least like 2 tablespoons of it. This is going to be for your ceviche style tuna. I ran out of cilantro. Luckily I dried this one before it went bad, and I'm going to use dried cilantro. Some liquid aminos are great for the ceviche style dish. I ended up putting a 1/4 teaspoon of it. Mix really well. Add a little bit of garlic salt, some avocado, salt to taste, a teaspoon of olive oil. It's already delicious. It'll be nicer once it sits and all the juices come out. For the mayo salad, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of mayo, some turmeric, as much as you like really. I added about 1/2 teaspoon, some pepper, some garlic salt. Mix really well and it's done. Yeah, I ended up adding more and more turmeric until it got a nice yellow color. If you don't have keto chips or crackers, you can use vegetables like this. Dry them up really good, and then I usually like to put the mayo tuna in the celery. I like to top it with some sesame seeds. And I like using this romaine lettuce for the ceviche, and top it with a little bit of chia seed. You'll be surprised, you don't even need the crackers or the tortilla chips. The celery and the romaine lettuce both give it a really nice crunch. But anyhow, since we all eat differently in the house, I like to put different choices out. Some crackers, some thin crispy tortilla chips. Thanks for taking a look at this recipe. I hope you really like it. I welcome any kind of advice or comments. Please subscribe to my channel. I really need your guys' help. If you like this recipe, please let me know by hitting the like button. If you can make a donation or subscribe, anything helps. Adios amigos y amigas. Stay healthy, stay safe, and see you soon. Bon appetit!